So I'm Dr. Lutz Mary, Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I'm going to take the categories of software project for the subject software project management. Categorization of software projects. The categories are compulsory versus voluntary uses, information system versus embedded system, outsources project, objective driven development. The information system interfaces with the organization, whereas an embedded system interfaces with the machine. Say example for information system can be inventory that is maintained by an organization. Embedded system or industrial system can be a process control system such as maintaining air conditioning equipment in a company. Projects also defined by a product, producing a product or meeting the objective. A project that produces the product must meet all kinds of client requirements. The produced product must be justified by the client. In general, software projects have an objective driven stage that recommends a new system to meet the identified requirements and a project driven stage to actually develop the project. Setting objectives to develop a successful project, the project manager and the team members must be aware of the factors that lead the team to success. An effective objective scope for an individual must be within the individual's control. So objectives can be broken down into goals or sub-goals. The SMART technique is used to well-defined projects. SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-oriented. Specific is concentrate and well-defined up to the point. Measurable, measures of effectiveness. Achievable, so power within the individual or the group. Relevant, satisfy the purpose of the project. Time oriented, time limit for successful achievement of the project. So the management principles are division of work. The whole work is divided into small tasks. The specialization of the workforce according to the skill of a person, creating specific personnel and the professional development within the labor force, thereby increasing the productivity. So authority and responsibility. This is the issue of commands followed with the responsibility for their consequences. Discipline, it's a obedience, proper conduct in relation to others, respect of authority, etc. Unity of command. It states that each subordinate should receive orders and be accountable to one and only one supervisor. Unity of direction. All related activities should be put under one group. There should be one plan of action for them. Subordination of individual interest or to mutual interest. The management must put aside personal consideration and put company objectives firstly. Remuneration: workers must be paid sufficient remuneration. The degree of centralization, the amount of power wielded with the central management depend upon the company size. So line of authority, this refers to the chain of superiors ranging from top management to the lower rank. Order is a social order, ensures the fluid operation of a company through authoritative procedure. Equity, employees must be treated kindly and justice must be enacted to ensure a just workplace. Stability of tenure of personnel. Stability of the personnel in a piece of principle stating that in order for an organization to run smoothly, they must not frequently enter or exit the organization. Initiative, so can add strength and new ideas to the organization. Then team spirit, that is refers to the need of the managers to ensure and development morale in the workplace. Management control structures, organization structures. So these are called as authority, role, accountability, responsibility and separation of concerns. Objectives: performance management, task assignment, how to setting the expectations. Then the supervision is needed for the proper conduct of that particular project. Then measurements, so we'll be having certain measures or metrics to assess the performance. Then monitoring, continuous monitoring is for the well growth of the organization.